welcome back to my channel and welcome to the February Ipsy unbagging video. This month is really exciting because they included like a bonus add-on that you can start doing, which I think is really cool because if you're getting a monthly subscription box, you might as well be able to do like add-ons of other stuff that you need monthly. So I think this is pretty cool. But before we hop into that, let's talk about the bags themselves. February is so cute, you guys. So if you're unfamiliar with what, I'm getting too excited here, with what Ipsy is, it's a monthly subscription service of beauty products. So they have 3 different tiers. You can get the regular glam bag, which is kind of like the OG, the one that started it all, and typically those are deluxe size samples. You could do the Glam Bag Plus, which is more full-size products. You still get 5 of them. It's a little bit more expensive, but you do get a little bit more luxe, more full-size products. And then there's the Glam Bag X, which is like the big mamma jamma. It's a little bit newer and they have like really, really good products in it. So I have the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus to share with you guys, plus the add-on that you can start doing. So the bags every month are so cute, but February's is like extra cute. I've always been a huge fan of Valentine's Day themed things, like the hearts and the pink and the cuteness. Like it always just makes me so excited, and this is so uber cute. So this is the regular Glam Bag, and then the Glam Bag Plus has little gold lips all over it. They killed it with the bags. So we'll start with the regular Glam Bag, which is $12 a month. If you are curious, I will link it all down below for you. So the first thing I have in here is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel. This is a pretty decent deluxe size sample. It says it's a mini, but I feel like this would last you forever. I personally don't use a brow setting gel. My brows are pretty sparse as it is, so I don't need to tame them in any way. But this is really cute. This is a pretty, like I said, a pretty decent deluxe size sample. Next thing in here is wrapped in a little plastic wrap. It feels heavy, like substantially heavy. And this is by the brand Love You First, I believe is the brand. I haven't heard of this one before. Perfect Eyeshadow Duo Rose Gold and Ivory. Okay, I like rose gold. Oh, pretty. Although I don't see ivory. Why is this called rose gold and ivory? I see no ivory. There's definitely a brown and a gold. A little patchy. The gold is really nice. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand One Kind. It's the Perfectionist Refining Facial AHA BHA Clay Mask. AHA and BHA are a really good combo. I know Drunk Elephant has a combination like that, and I really like what that does to my skin. So I've actually never heard of this brand before. I applaud Ipsy for having all these new brands. Usually they have a lot of mainstream, which has its benefits as well, but they usually have mainstream stuff I've heard of before. This is new stuff, which is exciting in my opinion. 2 things left in this. So the first is by Bite Beauty. This is the tiniest lipstick, but it is so cute. This reminds me a lot of my babysitter growing up sold Avon, and she had those teeny tiny little Avon lipstick samples. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let me know in the comment section down below. You know what? I think I have this. What is this? Yes, the Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in Orange Frizz. They had like a raspberry one and a red one too, and then this orange one. So I have the full size of this. It's just a bright, I'll show you guys, a bright orange lipstick, which is so fun for summer and spring. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'll give this to somebody, but it's such a pretty color and it really does stain your lips. And the last thing in here is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes. Oh, they have an eye cream now. Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. This is a cute little eye cream. You only need a little dab. So something like this is like the perfect size. How cute is this? And now the Glam Bag Plus, like I said, typically has full-size products, so we'll see what this month has. I was scrolling through the products that I could possibly get, and there's a lot of good stuff this month. There's like a Patrick Ta, like lip mask. There's a lot, like Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. A lot of good stuff that could possibly be in here. Let's see, I got the Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Recovery Sleeping Mask. Lots of masks I'm noticing. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Sleeping masks are nice because they typically wear like a moisturizer, so you don't feel like it's this big fussy step in your skincare. It's just something easy you can throw on before you go to bed. And Dr. Brandt is a good brand. Next thing in here is a brush by IT Cosmetics. It's the Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush. I love brushes, and I feel like every month I get a brush, whether it be in the regular Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus. I am an Ipsy ambassador, so they do send these to me to share with you guys so you can kind of see what products could potentially be in your bags. But if you subscribe yourself, you actually can like pick out some of the products to go in your bag, so you get some surprises and then some like customized, curated things. If you got this bag every month, you wouldn't necessarily have to get a brush, but I think it's really cool because I love brushes. So anyways, that was a really long explanation to why I'm really excited about this. This one's a little bit different though. I don't typically put my foundation on with a brush. I use a sponge if I'm using a liquid foundation. So this one's interesting. It has like a little curve on it. Next thing in here is by the brand Beauty Stat. I have not heard of that brand before. This is their Universal C Skin Refiner. It says it reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles, smooth over cleansed dry skin AM and PM. I'm assuming it's a serum. It says it's a skin refiner, but yeah, I think it's a serum. I have a lot of vitamin C that I'm using right now, and I've noticed that vitamin C doesn't always agree with my skin. Sometimes it burns my skin, so I have to be really careful with it. I feel like every brand has some sort of vitamin C thing. It's nice to know that they're like giving you the trendy stuff in these bags. Okay, two more things. So this one is by the brand I was gonna say All About Face, but it's just About Face. And this is their matte fluid eye paint. The box is like, it's telling me to like, it's a weird box. Okay, it's not coming out like the typical way, so maybe I have to open it like it's telling me to. What? This is the weirdest box ever, you guys. I feel like it's gonna chip my polish. Okay, I feel like I'm opening a letter. It's like, has a pull tab. What? I'm so confused. Just give me the dang product out of the box. Okay, that was unnecessarily difficult. This has that soft matte packaging, which is cool. Like NARS kind of has that soft matte packaging. Okay, so this is like Too Faced has those melted chocolate matte liquid eyeshadows. That's what this reminds me of. It doesn't smell like chocolate though. This is a really pretty color, but I'm still intrigued and slightly intimidated on how to use an eyeshadow like this. You know, like if it's glittery, I get it, but when it's matte, I'm kind of like, Okay, last thing in here is a lipstick by MAC. This is a full-size cream sheen lipstick in the color Sweet Sakura. I know I said that wrong. It's a red, which is pretty perfect for Valentine's Day. I know we're past Valentine's Day now, but you know, if you had gotten your bag earlier in the month, this is perfect for Valentine's Day. It's a beautiful, like orangey red pink. I like the cream sheen finish also because it's like comfortable and it looks like slightly satiny, not matte satiny, but it just feels comfortable on the lips. You don't feel like it's drying out your lips in any way. So the cream sheen is definitely my favorite formula. I've also never seen MAC in these bags before, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so that is the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So now let's get into the add-on. So if you add this on, it will automatically ship for free with your Ipsy bag every single month. It is a shaving kit, so you have like your razor and your shaving cream and all of that by the brand Refreshments. They also have other products that are not shaving related, so they have cleansing wipes, hand lotion, body cream, body wash. I was this close to subscribing to Billy Razor the other day, and something was telling me like, don't do it, don't do it. And maybe this was why. Maybe the Refreshments one is like that much better, who knows. But I have the Pillow Shave Cream in the Citrus Spritz scent. It's a nice scent. So they sent us, the Ipsy ambassadors, a cream. I think it was a body cream in this scent a little while back, and it smelled really good. So I know what it smells like. I actually don't use shaving cream. I just use my shower gel, but it's really nice that that can be like included in your monthly shipment. And then here is the shaving kit, cutely packaged. And it came in this little bag. I don't know if every month it'll come in this little bag, but the bag is cute. Oh, cute. It is purple and pink and absolutely adorable. Ooh, heavy, like substantial, heavy, good quality. I like that. Like you feel like it doesn't feel like a disposable razor. It's just like nice. It feels like it's made out of like metal or something. I love that. Here's the little hook that you suction onto your shower. I actually always have horrible luck with these and they never stay suctioned to my shower. So I'm curious if this one will, but there's that. And then it comes with 2 razor heads. It looks like they have 4 blades? 5 blades. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5 blades, and then maybe like a cushion of aloe or something like that. I've obviously never tried this before. This will be my first time, but I do love the idea of having like I said, like a monthly thing, because typically you need razors. Maybe not monthly, maybe like every other month or every 3 months or something like that. All right guys, well that is the end of my February Ipsy unbagging video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you got something that you were really excited about in your Ipsy Glam bag, let me know in the comment section down below. I was looking through what you could possibly get in your Glam Bag Plus this month, and there's some really good stuff, you guys. So there's like this, I don't even know what this brand is, but it's so cute, Mally, but it's Maeli Beauty. Their blush palette, oh my god, so cute. There's the original beauty blender you could get in your bag. Those alone are $20, so it pretty much pays for the bag itself. I don't know, I feel like February was a really good month. So Makeup Forever eyeliner is on here. There's a lot of good stuff. First Aid Beauty. Okay, I'm gonna stop looking. But I hope that you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.